Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. The car sounds amazing. It shifts absolutely perfect. I have no complaints with how the car drives. Steering wheel is perfectly straight. Upshifts and downshifts perfect. Alignment feels good. Honestly, you just can't beat this sound. This is a really, really fun driving experience. No complaints. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections. So really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So here on the front right wheel, you're gonna have a couple tiny little scuffs. I don't see any curb rash though. And there's just a couple tiny little chips here and there. Center cap looks good. Got the gloss black caliper, that's in great condition. Little tiny rock impact there. The paint is really, really pretty on this car. Couple tiny rock impacts. Otherwise, it's in great condition. Now you're gonna have the impacts here and little chips. Otherwise, that fender is perfect. A-pillars looks good. That looks nice. A couple small rock impacts, but otherwise, that mirror looks good. Upper section of the door looks really nice. That trim is clean. See a little touch-up spot there. Looking in here, if you get super, super close, you're gonna see a couple tiny little chips, but otherwise that's in great condition. And then you're gonna see some chips right here. The rest of that lower rocker though is in great condition. Just a few small chips here and there. See a little one there. You're gonna see some down here. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. A couple little scuffs. And then right here, that's probably the largest imperfection is on the inside there. Otherwise, this side looks amazing. Here on the top, little scuff here. Little scuff there. I don't think that's a hole, but something did scuff it pretty good. That looks nice. Overall, that's really clear. Has a very light hue to it, a little yellow hue. For the most part though, it's in great condition. Beautiful top. Let's go on the other side. Have a little flaw here. Otherwise, that top looks good. All right, let's look at the front here. Looking at the headlight covers, overall in great condition. A couple rock impacts here and there. You're gonna see some small chips when you get close. Here's some that stand out a little more. We'll touch up. A couple little more impacts. Otherwise, that hood looks amazing. That light is in great condition. That one looks good. A couple rock chips here. A few more there. There's one there. That light is cracked. That one looks good. Let's get underneath this a little bit. Actually looks really good. You can see some very minor rash here and there. Overall, that looks amazing though. Alright, checking this out. It looks awesome. You do have a trickle charger right there. You have a car cover. And then you have this cover as well when you have that top down. Here on the driver's side, looking at the fender. I see a dent there and there. See it in the reflection of the light. Very subtle. A couple rock impacts down here, one right there. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. A couple tiny scuffs here and there, but otherwise in great condition. A few small rock impacts, and then there is a little touch-up spot there. A couple chips here. That looks good. Upper section looks nice. A couple imperfections here. A few tiny little fingernail scratches. There's a couple chips. That edge is in great condition, very minor wear. A couple chips on that lower rocker. Got a chip there. So really I'm just seeing little chips here and there. Otherwise, looks great, and the depth of that paint is beautiful. It's in great condition. Couple flaws there. Overall, that wheel looks good. Beautiful on this side. Here on the back side, let's start with the upper section here. I see one chip right there. See a chip here and one tiny one there. Otherwise, that looks good. Clarity on these are perfect. That looks amazing. Beautiful, beautiful car. All of that looks amazing. Very clean. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Do have a little imperfection here. That leather's nice and soft. Typical wear there, but overall in great condition. And then you're gonna see little scuffs kind of all throughout this plastic area. Little markings. That carpet is in great condition. That jamb looks nice. Overall, all of that is clean. You do have your wear here and some separation in the stains. Got an indentation here, typical wear. And then you have a lot of wear there. Looks like all of this is repairable though, if you ever went that route. Typical flaws. Here on the steering wheel, a couple tiny scuffs. For the most part though, that looks good. I'm trying to get up close here on the dash. I'm not seeing any flaws that stand out. That looks good. Got the Kenwood. Okay, here on the passenger door panel, tiny little scuff there. Little scuffs on the plastic here and there. Otherwise in great condition. That carpet looks amazing. That leather is still nice and soft. I don't see really any issues here. This is all very nice. Looking in the jamb. Looks good. All of this is nice and clean. All of that looks good. And here on that bolster, typical flaws. A little bit of wear, a little wrinkling. Overall though, in great condition. You're gonna see your flaws in here. For the most part though, that all looks gorgeous. You're gonna see wear around the edge of that floor mat. Carpet looks good. That looks nice. This is in great condition.